Hello, welcome back to my channel Uran71. Today I'm gonna show you how to download a Webro message, media or runtime, anything very fast and easy. So today I show you the best Webro. Okay, so now we go together. So the first we open in Firefox Webro. And this website, I always use to download also. Okay, so in Google we write in NINTE. So this web and click enter. Okay, so here 9 install or update multiple F1. Okay, click this one. So see, finally it's coming. So if you want to download like Webro, messaging, media, runtime, image, develop tool, a lot, So today I'm gonna show you. I want to download a Chrome. Okay, so I just click Chrome. So you see, I choose Chrome and I click get your name. Okay, this one. So download and run the custom installer update. Okay, and we click together this one. So you see, first is download, the second is run, the third is share. So just download. Okay, so I choose Chrome. So I just want to share the best website, like easy and fast download. So you just click save file here. Yes. So you see over there the file is for sale. So this is complete. So we go to open the file. Okay. So we click this PC. Okay, so the next we gonna click download. You see download here, over there, download. Click download. So you see here Chrome installer. We click here. So very fast. So preparing setup. Okay. Preparing setup again. Downloading Chrome, Okay, so fast. I hope you all enjoy my video, and if you want you can follow my video. If you don't want, it's okay. I just want to show and share what is good that I always use, like always, Okay, just wait a few seconds. It's still downloading. So installing Chrome, so you see the Google Chrome is coming here, right here. So wait till it finishes installing. So finishing, okay. So we close it. So finally we got the Google Chrome, so we can use the Google Chrome here. So start open the Google Chrome together. Okay. See, welcome to Chrome. So I hope you all enjoy my video, and we hope to see you at the next video. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my channel also. Thank you so much. So you see, you can use everything here. Okay, bye bye. I'm gonna